Team 8, are we ready? Excellent. Oh, you're setting it up. You're not ready yet. Okay.
Hello. We are spending hundreds of millions.
Alexa was ready before.
As we speak.
So hello all. So hope you guys have heard about the Google AI assistant. So that inspires our idea, and we attempt to make a JP Morgan branch AI assistant who can address the basic queries of customer. So actually we went to the Chase Newport branch here and asked the teller what are their basic queries, what are their pain points. So they said that generally the walk-in customer comes for account opening or to inquire about home loans, financial investments, etc. So we thought why we can keep that thing automated and address the queries and records the conversation with the customer with the bot and sends the email to the related banker of the branch. So other than that, we also thought to scan the documents what customers has and sends it over the email back to the teller or the banker. Plus our robot can greet the customer. So if the customer comes, he can greet it, he can cross-sell later in the meeting. Plus it can also assist the customer with the ATM services. Plus it can do the securities as well, like it can records whatever it sees under its vision. So these are our use cases, and of course the major use cases is right now when customer walk in, somebody assist him and guides them to the banker, to the branch banker place. So this is what we are thinking, that why not our robot can direct him to that place to reduce the overhead of the branch banking personals. So I will hand over the mic to Ankush to provide the architecture and design of our board.
So basically what we have here is we have created an Amazon Alexa skill for the voice recognition, and it takes the user inputs, throw it to the Amazon Lambda, which is like a serverless model where we have a Node.js REST API which handles the user inputs and then redirects it to Amazon SNS, which is a simple notification service. The service is basic publisher subscriber model, and what it does is it saves message in the queue and then it just sends it to the Amazon simple queue service. So we try to make our model very flexible, and so that even in the future we can integrate it with machine learning algorithms and even other interfaces. So with the queue in place, we can have analytics features. Whatever we are sending to the robot can also be subscribed by some other analytics service which can be used later on. And once the message is in the queue, we have a console application in C#.NET which runs on any server and pulls from the queue. So whenever a message comes, the C# application is intelligent enough to get it and send it to the robot via Bluetooth.
Okay, so can we start the demo? So yeah, so we are in the counter.
So we are having Bluetooth connectivity issues.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of EV3 robots here, so it's trying to get which one is right. In the meantime, we can.
So while the customer waits in the branch, so these kind of things happens in the branch when the banker is assisting some other customer or all that. So and the customer has to wait. So in that momentary time, our robot can cross sell. So let's check with one of the program.
Give us 10 minutes of the banker assisting other customer. The fine, I can give an overview of our credit card services. We offer three kinds of cards to our customers: Chase card, Chase Sapphire, Chase Premium. All three cards are free from annual charges and provide a cashback bonus within 3 months of joining.
So this is the way like he can assist customer with the credit cards. Like so just the basic query so that he has an idea and he can go over to the banker and can ask the other questions regarding the card services.
So we can start the demo.
Yeah.
So the case is a user comes into the bank and we'll just run a quick program and then
Hello, welcome to the new purchase branch.
Hi,
Are you an existing or a new customer?
I am a new customer. Yeah.
tell EV3.
How may I assist you?
I want to inquire about home loan.
I will be glad to assist you with on to home I inquire loan. Please follow me.
Home loan.
I will be glad to assist you with home alone. Please follow me.
So difficulty understanding our accent.
So the idea is to catch a keyword which we have already programmed in the system, and basis that keyword it will follow the path and make the customer to the related banker of the branch.
So basically what happened, Alexa sent the command to the Lambda sends it to the queue, and then the C# language passes that command to the robot via Bluetooth, and it's able to run through the color. So basically the path we have is a color sensor, and for future enhancement we will going to put a machine learning PID model as we said, and I think
Yeah. So similarly, so if you ask about him, if somebody asks about the new account opening, like he wants to open a savings or chase account or savings or checkings account, it will route the customer to a different route to that other one. Yeah. So the next one we want to elaborate about the GT vision, how we achieved it. So this was a demo. Yeah. So here we for this optimizing the infrastructure. So what we first we have chosen this design because we want to give a customer a better user experience. So he sees like a human kind of a robot instead of having a car kind of a structure or something like that. So, and then second one, the accelerating development. So here what while making this robot, we have distributed the task and adopted a parallel architecture. So each one of our teammates worked on a different set of work, and then we integrated the same. And then also we adopted the cloud through this AWS. We also learned how to integrate it and make it.
And in addition to the existing setup, we can also utilize it for the customer with special needs and accessibility also. So that since it's an automated task, there is no intervention, it's just voice operated. So we don't really have to go over the remote controls and all those setups. So it's just a predefined path. The customer steps into the branch and have some needs. It can direct to their desired department, and of course it will help during the rush hours. It will offload some of the tasks from what the branch employees usually have. So it will reduce the wait times also, and automation is again inherent part of it. So two things we have tried to do here is loan and accounts. So probably we can utilize on much more in branch offices. I mean, implications can be widened.
Plus this also triggers the local police department in case of robbery. Because if let's say if the robber comes in and if he sets some keyword, so it records that keywords and triggers to the local police department. So that then we can check robbery in that case. Thanks. And
Thank you. Okay, judges, any questions for